Welcome to JD's Dale Auto. My name's Jeff. I hope y'all doing well. And this is What Did You Buy Wednesday, hosted by Joe at Bidstein Model Workshop. And if y'all haven't checked out his channel, he does some awesome work and stuff like that. So if you get a chance, check him out. He does really good work. He's always got something on his bench. So without nothing more to say, let's head to the bench right after the intro. Okay, the first thing I got was the 1961 Chevy Impala SS by AMT. I decided I was going to start my Chevy Impala SS's, and I liked the detail on this one with the 409 bed blot. Came with two different rim styles. So, okay, there's kit number one. Kit number two was the 1962 Chevy Impala convertible. And it come with these nifty looking details. And it came with the 409. You could also do dual carburetor if you wanted to, and it came with two different rims, the stock and steel rims. But that was kit number two. And kit number three, the 1963 Chevy Impala SS. And this is the 4-in-1 kit. Now I bought two of these because I'm making one into a convertible and one into a hardtop. This came some really nifty looking customizing parts, but I'm telling you, it's really weird looking. Two different rim styles, bunch of different parts and details. And the reason I bought these because I want to start with like I said, the very first Impala that came out, SS, the very first SS Super Sport, and see if I can get all of them. Maybe all of them. What I can in models anyways of the Super Sport series. So that's going to be one of my projects going on. But that's what I bought Wednesday. Actually, these came in last Thursday, and they were supposed to come in Wednesday, but they never showed up until Thursday. So, but that is what I bought. You know, like I said, it was supposed to be for last Wednesday, but it didn't show up till Thursday, so I did this video today. Okay, now I'll be right back. Thank you for watching. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and viewers that follows this channel. I appreciate it so much. It means a lot. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that little bell icon for notifications. It does help this channel to grow. The more the merrier. It's free, it really helps out a lot. Smash that like button if you liked what you see. And comment, leave a comment, any questions, anything you want to see, let me know. And I'll respond to you as soon as I can. And for nothing much more to say as of right now, I'll see y'all in the next video. And y'all have a good one.